What's up guys? May gusto lang ako i-share sa inyo. Siguro ako lang yung tao na hindi mahilig uminom ng vitamins. But this changed the game for me. Honestly, I never really thought about my immune system until I started getting sick more often. And bukod pa dyan, acidic din ako. Kaya sobrang pihikan ako sa kung anong iniinom ko. But when I found Akaruwi L-Glutathione Plus Sodium Ascorbate, I was like, ito na talaga yung hinahanap ko. Because it has sodium ascorbate, which is easier on my stomach than a regular vitamin C. Plus, glutathione and probiotics. And after just a few weeks, not only do I feel healthier and stronger, but my skin, nag-glow talaga siya guys. Sino magsasabi ng skincare and immunity could work hand in hand like this? Karuwi totally level up my self-care game. Kaya naman I'm obsessed with this. Kasi total life upgrade talaga to. Feeling better ka na, glowing brighter pa ang skin mo. You need to try it guys. So, if you're looking for healthier skin and a stronger immune system, check out Akaruwi today. You won't regret it. Promise. Yun lang. Bye!